So, good morning from Kanyakumari. Welcome to a new fresh vlog. I hope you have liked the last vlog. You want to see where I'm standing. This is Hotel Tri-C, and this is the place. To woke up now only, and I'll take some rest. And then today, Bala Murugan is also on the way from Madurai, so we'll meet. So, I'm going for the RT-PCR test. Let's see. It's Kanyakumari Government Hospital, but I'm not sure they will get the report by tomorrow only. So if it's not done, we'll find some other things. Then with Dr. Bala Murugan, is really serious. Oh, he said hi. Kumari, they are not doing the RT-PCR test, so we are moving towards the place.
Nagarkoil.
Nagarkoil is around 20 kilometers from here. Otherwise, if it is not getting done here, then I'll take the report from Hyderabad. Let's see.
Cape Comorin is Kanyakumari's another name is Cape
Many
Comorin.
people doesn't know. This I learned in around 2000 class 3.
It's a Cape
And
Comorin
still
is
I
an
remember.
English name for Kanyakumari.
Yeah.
Kanyakumari is a Tamil name.
Yeah.
Tamil name. One of our country.
Right,
It's called
right.
Cape Comorin.
Yeah.
End point is
No,
situated in Tamil
you're
Nadu.
mistaken. End point of India is Indira Point.
Indira Point.
Huh.
No, towards according to the land survey, that is
Uh-huh.
the Cape Comorin is the
Yeah,
end point.
yeah.
Indira Point is geographical location.
I'm standing in the queue for this. I paid the bill and I'm standing in for the nasopharyngeal oropharyngeal collection center for COVID-19. Asthma. So if inside the nasal tract and oral tract, na, I have a problem. That's the thing. Status asthmaticus. Status asthmaticus. So Bala has helped me with the COVID report. By 5 p.m. only, I'll get the report in my Gmail. That's the thing. So that's the update from here. And now we'll have our breakfast or lunch. Lunch. Breakfast time gone. So this is Nagarkoil, and I am done with my test. And now we are moving towards Kanyakumari to Fike Service Center. This local shop only. I'll just change the oil. I'll check my air filter is good or not. And I have a spare air filter also. So if it's not there, I'll put that. It's almost 1:20, and still now we are running out of food. We'll have the lunch and
End point of Cape Comorin is Kanyakumari. Now you see the panoramic view of all the three seas of.
we just go there and we park the vehicle. Then we'll take. Sunset Point is also there, right? Last time we
There's a
visited
separate
there.
point. Separate point.
Uh-huh.
We'll go there in the evening.
Sure. We'll just go out. The country we starts from Himalayas in the north, Rajasthan, the desert in the west, the Thar desert in the west, Arabian Sea in the west, Bay of Bengal in the east of the Himalayas, which in Arunachal, that's in the east, hills, the Garo hills, which are in the east. After that, this is the extreme southmost point, and the ending point of India. That's Kanyakumari, or Cape Comorin, which was given by the English people. So I am here. Dr. Bala Murugan. I need to stay for 1 day at least. I am moving too fast. Anyway, being a surgeon, I don't have time. He is also a surgeon, but much more experienced than me. One more thing I forgot to mention. This is the starting point of NH44, which goes to Kashmir. This feels good, right? This road only tomorrow I'll take early morning till Chandigarh, and from there I'll divert to Manali and then to Ladakh. So I had this COVID testing done. You have seen Bala is there with me. So we are going to find one bike shop where I can change the oil, engine flush, oil additive, everything I have. This feels nice to ride like a local at Kanyakumari. I'm not wearing gloves, I'm not wearing shoes, only the helmet I'm wearing. Here don't wear helmet also. Some people wear like him. Oh, she's also a biker. This is Hotel Bhadrani. Place the Liqui Moly engine clutch, and my bike is on for 10 minutes. After that, put the oil. So if Bala is there, Bala's son will talk to me. Hello, you want to see my bike?
Sir, our bike பார்க்கணுமான்னு கேக்குறாரு அங்கிள்.
See.
எடா இல்ல.
How are you? Fine. I missed you and the kids also. I just have because I have given my bike for service. Then we'll have. Yeah. Okay, thank you. The trip and thing, it's not that you are pushing yourself, you're pushing the bike also. So you need to take care of the bike also.
Okay.
That's what I carried all these things. I don't rely on the service center. I rely on myself. So bike servicing has been done. This guy has helped me. Sir, your name?
Name Jose.
So he has helped me to change the engine oil. So we both work together. And this shop is nearby North Puntal. Okay. So you can avail this place for if your bike servicing is needed.
இந்த பைக் வந்து 23,000 கிலோமீட்டர் வரை ஆயில் ஒண்ணுமே கம்பெனிக்கா பார்ட்ஸ்லயும் ஓடுது. அந்த மாதிரி அவங்க ரைட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க.
Okay. So in Hindi I'll tell that he just told that 23,000 किलोमीटर बाइक का हो गया, लेकिन अभी तक कंपनी का चेन है, कंपनी का सब कुछ है, कुछ चेंज नहीं किया मैंने, ब्रेक चेंज नहीं हुआ है, जस्ट वही. So oil has been put. I have checked the oil level. It's all nice. Wow. Sound and all has changed. So this I'll run for around 4,000 to I'll do. This will be a big hit for Liqui Moly. And that's Bala taking my video. It's performing nice. It has become smooth. Very nice. Thanks. ₹1,000 का petrol I have put. Peak carbon cleaner has also been placed, so everything is done. Anna. Oh, full sound is changed now. Full is changed sound. So nothing, I'm just going to the, not hotel, we'll go to some place and have some food. So we have come for lunch and see what they have given. Bala, what we are having today?
Actually, we are getting better dishes. Now you see the dishes long.
It's too late, but now it's delicious. I thought chutney. Pull. I'm standing here with the Pepsi and Bala is riding my bike. How is it? Nice, huh?
Wonderful experience.
This is 4:30 in the evening and I came all this way to visit here. So it's almost closed. It's around 4 o'clock. So it's closed. I just came here to take a pic. The most important pic of my life, which I was not able to take last time, that I will take today. The Bala Murugan is walking the way. You can see that there he is. Vana. சீக்கிரம் பா. என்னாச்சா? ஒன்றும் ஆகல. Videography, photography has been done. So Bala is still busy taking some photos, but I am sitting here on the rocks. That's the hill on the rock. It really feels great. This is our India. So my trip starts tomorrow at 5 o'clock in the morning. And now we are going to a sunset point because the sun is about to set and we have to reach there in time. See you there.
Not able to cover.
The sunset point, me and Bala, and we are having ice cream. Mine one is without milk.
Yeah. You are vegan, no?
Vegan.
So my day ended well. So I asked Vivekananda to give me so much of strength and courage so that I can overcome every hurdle in my journey. And that morning, 26th, the next day, I was ready for my mortal ride. Bala gave me a nice hug.
Thank you.
And I was on my way to Khardungla. I hope you will enjoy the next vlog. So just stay updated for it.